The best value tablet in 2024 is finally here, and it's not what you think. Let's unbox the Xiaomi Pad 7 with a surprise accessory inside. This tablet supports Dolby Vision Atmos and runs on the Xiaomi's latest HyperOS 2. The version I have got here is the 8GB RAM, 256GB storage model in this sleek grey color. Alright, let's get into the unbox. The box is a bit tight to open, but here we go. Nothing under the lid. We will toss that aside. First thing you see is a white box. Based on the design, it's probably the cover. Let's check it out. Opening it up, yeah, here it's a magnetic smart cover that feels super premium. It protects the tablet double as the stand and has that high quality texture that just feels good in your hands. And there is a subtle Xiaomi logo engraved at the bottom. We will set the cover and the booklet aside. Time for the real star of the show. The tablet comes from wrapped in the soft fabric-like sleeve with some printed space. A 144Hz display, AI feature, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip, and a massive 9000 mAh battery. Let's leave that aside for now and see what else in the box. Bunch of manuals, yeah, no one read those. Button section looks promising. Lifting it up, we get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and here it's a 45-watt fast charger. Honestly, props to Xiaomi for including this. The cable itself is really solid and always featured that signature orange color inside the ports. Nice touch. Now let's get to the main event. Removing it from the sleeve is smooth and satisfying. On the back we have got Xiaomi's signature camera island design, just like their flagship phones. It's made of full aluminum and it defensively feels premium in the hand. Pulling off the label reveals the connector pins for accessories like the keyboard. Up top we have got dual speaker with Dolby support, a power button, and the side the volume button. Slightly lower, there is a magnetic stylus deck, which actually looks a lot like the iPhone's camera control button. Down below, we got two more speakers and the USB-C port. Let's power it up. Holding the power button while it's boot, I will snap the magnetic cover. Attaches easily and fits like a glove. HyperOS 2 is up and running. Visually, it's very iOS inspired, clean and modern. One new thing that caught my eye: battery health monitoring. Cool feature, but maybe a bit too honest. As I mentioned, the smart cover double as the storage stand, definitely useful for media or typing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech content like this. Got question about the Pad 7? Drop them in the comments. I will reply to as many as I can.